Here we have the UTK heating pad. This is a nice size. It's going to cover your whole back when you go through and sit back on the chair. And it connects here. And then you have your control box here. And you can set it as you want. It's nice because it also has a timer, so you can set the time up to 4 hours. So you can go ahead and turn it off. You can also set the temperature. It goes up to 140 degrees. Usually around 125. How I like it, but probably more like 110 for most people. And this is really durable. It's going to go through, and I feel the warmth already. So it's definitely going to heat you up. If you need to go through and wearing like a jacket or something like that, you can always turn the heat up and it'll still come through. And you can just use this nonstop. This gets a lot of use, and it is a higher quality one, so keep that in mind. It's going to last longer. So if you're going to need something that you're going to keep using over and over again, this is definitely the brand for you, UTK. My name is Kevin with Helpful Tutorials. I hope this is helpful.